Good day investors, welcome to the 16th of February 2015 market review. The trade for today is called Life Healthcare Group and the code is LHC. Last traded price was 44.70. The action on this trade is to go long or buy. So the objective is to go from the blue line to the green line. Entry level is 44.23 and the target is 46.87 on the green line. Stop loss to be used is 43 Rand and 35 cents. Looking at the current open trades, CFR and Bidvest. Trades that's been closed on Friday was IMP and Nedbank. Looking at the top 40 index, that's the JSE top 40 shares. The blue line is indicating the market movement of the index of the JSE. Still trading above the 5-day dotted grey line and the 20-day moving average on the solid grey line. Currently looking at the Dow Jones, on Friday it closed about 46 points high, here just on 18,016 points, just above this blue line here. And currently you can see there was a small break up here from the ABC pattern, low, high, low, higher. Currently the markets are being closed for Monday, so the futures are a bit flat as well, but indication is nowhere. Greece has basically got a bailout meeting late this evening, Monday evening, and the markets are basically concentrate on that data as well. Looking at the J200, that's the top 40 index. Currently closing close to this previous highs of 47,000 points, currently at 46,739 points in a positive momentum upwards currently here. Looking at your Bollinger Bands, still trading between the green and the red in a positive momentum upwards. Looking at your banking shares, Barclays Bank. Now Barclays Bank did come down. Previous high was 191, currently testing this low here. Be careful. Look at this trading ranges of this bottom here, and that bottom there is a plus minus a level of 185 Rand. The current highs is 191, that's the current trading range. If broken on the 185, so definitely 180 is the next low. Standard Bank. Now Standard Bank had a beautiful pattern called the head and shoulder pattern. There's the leg, there's the shoulder, there's the head, there's the shoulder, and look at this now. Actually came down. I'm going to zoom in, and they would try and test it on this middle Bollinger Band on a level of approximately about 151, and it jumped up back to the 144, back to the previous shoulders. Just want to see on the week chart average, you can see it's on the top there of 155, so we need to see if this pattern will play out, but it bounced on the middle green. Looking at your MTNs, MTN is currently in a positive momentum. The highest is about 218, currently trading at 216 after it broke up this 209, 2010 level in a positive pattern, starting to go higher. But as you can see, look at my blue line, that is your next highs on 218, trading at 216.29. Reason for this breakup, oil prices also went higher to the 52.54 level. Looking at your Vodacoms, now Vodacoms is trading on this highs, is 1, 2, 3 highs, testing this highs of 136 back. Current trading range is 133, 136, and it bounced on the middle green line as well as on the Fibonacci of 23.6%. Let's run to some retailers quickly here. This is a concern to me. Look at the ShopRite coming a bit down, a lot of support here at 174. In a red line coming down, currently trading here close to 180 levels. Look at the pattern ABC, high, low, 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 high, lower, high. At any time for breaks, this upward channel here on the top of the red line, more upside swings could be due. So let's keep a close eye on this one. Woolies on a new record high of 90 Rand. Movement upwards, and you can see it was tested this bottoms here, so moving upwards very nicely. Mr. Price didn't play the head and shoulder pattern out. There's the leg, there's the shoulder, there's the head, there's the shoulder. It didn't break this 254 level downwards to go back to 241. Now it's currently trading a sideways pattern, and it's trying to test the 266 level. Investec, Now Investec did very well, positive movement upwards here from 97.78, currently trading here at 102, 103 levels in a positive channel going upwards. Exxaro. Now Exxaro is trading sideways. There's a lot of information on this chart, but for this share to break physically high, this 111 rand and 34 cents needs to be broken. If broken, next high of expectation is here 180.90. That's from the previous highs. So looking at the Bollinger Bands, testing it currently, we need to see if there's physical movement going up here. So a lot of things, some shares high, some shares low, others are still in the positive channels. Let's see what the market delivers for the next day or two, especially with Greece.